Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the special tourist visa yet again. It's quite a hot topic in recent weeks because it is one of a few. There are other visa categories that may be able to get a foreigner into Thailand. Business visa, for example, O visa if you're married or have Thai family. But, and in some cases, very limited, though they may be, perhaps an ED visa. But for the most part, we are mostly seeing, the light at the end of the tunnel, if you will, seems to be surrounding or seems to be involving this special tourist visa. And a lot of questions have arisen regarding when we're actually going to see arrivals in this category. Now, I have personally said that while they may bring it online in October, I think November is more likely, or I've said I thought November was more likely for actually seeing arrivals in this category. Apparently, I will stand corrected on that, and I will be happy to do so. If I end up being wrong on that, I'm happy to stand corrected, as I would like to see Thailand see some tourists sooner rather than later. To that end, a recent article from the Bangkok Post, bangkokpost.com, article is titled, Ministry Vows Bangkok Special Tourist Visa Arrivals by October. Quoting directly, the Tourism Ministry has pledged to bring the first batch of international tourists to Thailand by October, with Bangkok as the primary destination, as it wants tourism operators to gear up marketing plans right away. And I find that to be laudable. I hope that is the case. I think it is notable. Tourism Ministry is not Ministry of the Interior, and Ministry of the Interior is immigration. And Tourism Ministry is also not Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and Ministry of Foreign Affairs is tasked with adjudicating visa applications at Thai embassies and consulates abroad. So while I think this is laudable, I do believe them, and I do think probably the Tourism Ministry is sort of leading the charge, if you will, to go ahead and try to get some momentum behind this and get some of these visa applications moving through and get some of these folks in special tourist visa status admitted to Thailand sooner rather than later. Again, full implementation of this program remains to be seen. As of yet, I haven't seen any clear and concise regulations associated with the visa itself. It's mostly just been, I shouldn't say just been, it's mostly been discussion, and it's mostly been documentation and, I should say, announcements handed down from the cabinet. So as of yet, the sort of details of this remain to be seen. That stated, I hope I do stand corrected. I hope that we do see special tourist visa entrance into the Kingdom of Thailand in the month of October of 2020.